I've always loved certain watches and worn a variation of them. At the same time, as being a designer, I always felt like, well, I would love to make this kind of watch, or I'd like to make that kind of watch. My goal was to go to the best artisans you can, the best watchmakers, the best in the world in Switzerland. The handmade, the craft of the world is the rarity, is the artist, is the artisan. There's nothing like working with the artist that had a sense of what they were doing, but had a vision. When you say something is made by hand, the care and attention to detail is what you're getting. The passion of trying to make the best product in the world is very important to me. The first craftsmanship really did come from watching my father do something with his hands and how unique it was. There is always the ultimate, the personality, the maker, the artisan that lives and breathes the products that they're doing. The sensibility is that the world has gone mechanized for mass production, and the artisans that love product, that grew up father to son, have inherited a craft. And that craft is their life. It's a passion, it's a love, and my goal was to search out and bring all that to the world of Ralph Lauren.